Hello, my name is Aljaž. I'm the CEO of the company The Right Thing Solutions, and we do the right thing, which is Oracle application, Express database development and consulting. I'm working with BeeAPEX since 2004. Back then it was called HTML-DB. And how I see it, this almost 20 years for me, APEX was a game changer. It was really something that, let's say a game changer. It gave me so much possibility to actually start up my company, to hire people. We are a great team. We do interesting projects, and it wouldn't be possible without APEX. And if you're searching for something like that nowadays, it's really easy. So APEX is a low-code solution. You don't have to have many years of experience to start working with APEX. Just start. You go to apex.oracle.com, sign up for a free workspace, and let the change begin. Thank you.
So, what is the essence of low-code solutions?
It depends who you ask. So my answer would be you would rather focus on the business side of the challenges as to, let's say, that you would spend time like creating something that can be created for you. Mm-hmm. So that's like how I see it. So business, we are solving problems. Mm-hmm. Like in my line of business, we are solving a lot of time business issues, business problems, and we need to focus on that and not that much on the technology. And this is something that you can achieve if you use low-code solutions.
Can you give us any examples of low-code solutions put into action, put into practice in business?
Yeah, again, it depends, right? There are so many different use cases. For example, like we can simplify things and we can use a low-code approach solution, let's say, in a really simple manner. So you want to replace your spreadsheet, which you normally share over the emails, and then you are not 100% sure which is the last version, who has it, where is it, and so on. And you can just use a local solution like Oracle APEX. Basically, you create an application based on a spreadsheet. You share the URL to all the people you want, and that's basically it. So it will take you, let's say, minutes to build a solution, and it can everyone use. But it's a simple one. On the other hand, and you can also use the low-code approach if you work for, let's say, enterprise solutions, really on systems which are 24/7 worldwide, globally distributed. So how do you do that? Of course, you don't solve the problems with the spreadsheets, but going back to the first question, I can use the low-code solution, which will save a lot of time. That I don't need to build a login page. I don't need to take care about session state management. I don't need to worry that much about security. I can just focus on the business requirements. Mm-hmm. So that's the question. Do you want to be a developer, or do you want to just, let's say, create some solutions? Because there is also like a no-code approach, which has, again, some solutions which that you can just say, hey, look, I want to build some forum, some questionnaire, and so on. So that's easy to do. With the low code, I see it's one step up. What this gives you the opportunity to either, it really depends what you want to do. So there is a possibility that you create something without any knowledge about programming. Mm-hmm. At the same time, it gives you the ability that you learn just a bit more. Like, let's say you start with a SQL. When you know that, like, you will see things will open. Yeah. And you say, okay, let me create this report, let me create that report. Oh, cool, it's now becoming like a proper application. And so the low-code approach will also give you the possibility to pick into the, let's say, our world, developers, and then you will see, okay, I want to stick just to this no-code, low-code, or I want to know more.
Yeah, it sounds like a curiosity-driven learning that
Exactly.
you are empowered to do something and then you build on your knowledge and you want more and more.
In the past, if you wanted to do like a development, you had to learn, I think, a lot, understand a lot, and then you could be like a developer and building the solutions. With the low-code approach platforms, basically, this world is opening also to someone like who does not have that much experience, that much knowledge, or to someone who wants to quickly jump into this. And you know, knowledge, not low-code, but I would say any knowledge that you gain gives you this possibility that you make changes.
Mm-hmm.
Like you have possibilities. It's same as like, I mean, some people can't read. As soon as they start reading, something new will open. They have possibility. They understand. They know. They realize. It's the same here. Now you have this possibility at least to understand and see how it goes.
The last question is about challenges, because I think that my general management students may be a bit worried about learning new things. It's like a totally different world. So, what are the challenges and what are your recommendations when you start thinking about learning how to use low-code solutions?
I mean, challenges. I would again say it's more like not challenges but opportunities.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, I would present this like that. So you have the opportunity to learn unbelievably a lot. At the same time, you don't have to, but you can. And it's really up to you how curious you are. If you want to learn, if you see like, I don't know, at some point people see problems as problems, you can see problems as challenges. And there are a lot of challenges to solve when you start low codes and when you progress. So it's a whole new world.
So what is the first step if I want to start my journey with low code? What should I do first?
Well, from where I'm coming from, I'm working with Oracle Apex, so the first step would be to go to apex.oracle.com and just sign up for a free workspace, search for some tutorials, and off you go.
Thank you.
Preface. Welcome to the exploring of Oracle Application Express, APEX, an intuitive and powerful low-code development platform for creating data-driven web applications. This textbook is designed to equip you with the competences needed to harness the full potential of Oracle APEX and build cutting-edge applications to address real-world business challenges. Part I of this textbook is How To, dedicated to the fundamental aspects of Oracle APEX. In these 12 chapters, you will embark on a journey to understand the core concepts, gain access to APEX, and explore various functionalities to build robust applications. Each chapter delves into a specific topic, providing clear instructions, and facilitating hands-on learning experience. Chapter 1, How to Start Oracle APEX, explains what is it for, and describes various ways to prepare APEX environment for hands-on learning experience and application development. Chapter 2, How to Prepare a Database, provides introduction to data modeling, managing database, manipulating data, and querying data. For beginners, a big picture of database concepts is a must. Chapter 3, How to Navigate in APEX, gives a tour of APEX functionalities which enable application development, generation, and customization of different web pages and its components. Running and testing APEX application is just one tab away from development environment. Chapter 4, How to Exchange Data in APEX, gives insight into importing and exporting data within APEX. The chapter covers data exchange with files such as spreadsheets and also through RESTful services. Chapter 5, How to Generate First Draft of Application, invites you to try development power of APEX. You will find that once you decide what are your data, you can immediately generate appealing and functional application with no programming. Also, basic access control for end users with different roles can instantly be generated. Chapter 6, How to Manage Reports, guides you through delivering views of the data through classic and interactive reporting wizards. APEX reports already include functionalities for end-user customization of reports with no programming at all. Chapter 7, How to Manage Forms, introduce you 3 common types of web form including master detail. You will customize and generate form pages with no programming skills. Chapter 8, How to Transform Text Reports into Charts, pave a path to utilize APEX capabilities to present data as charts directly beside text reports. Chapter 9, How to Manage Menus, presents types of various navigation elements for your APEX application. Chapter 10, How to Collaborate in Team, offers insight into APEX functionalities which serve teams since it is a rare situation that application development involve only one developer. Chapter 11, How to Benefit from Gallery of Sample Applications and Plugins, invites you to apply powerful APEX capabilities through reuse of good patterns. Chapter 12, How to Manage Packaged and Multilingual Applications, sets a path to distribute your application to other APEX environments for users that speak different languages. Part I also covers topics which are vital for application security, deployment strategies, and readiness for the real world. Part 2 of this textbook takes you beyond the fundamentals, presenting 12 engaging business cases from verbal description, over each tech detail to solve a problem. Each case is carefully documented to provide a holistic understanding of application development from a business, data, and user interface perspective. This part includes applications for businesses, intranet news for employees, small innovation system, business process management with workflows, bill of material calculation, book review system, nutrition and diet management, office hours scheduling, telecommunication company billing, car rental business for communities, catalog of plants, exchange of plants and general applicable user authorization and management. In each business case, you will explore business view of the case, an overview of the business situation, problem definition, a search to answer who and why someone has a headache. Use cases, 3 types of description is presented, narrative, semi-structured and graphical to prepare UML use case documentation. Logical and relational data model, APEX is fully featured to start fresh new data structures, to use and modify existing ones, to combine with other data modeling tools and to support forward or reverse engineering. Developers' efforts to ensure appropriate chunks of data and the relationships between and considering business needs is a foundation to proceed with user interfaces. Application interfaces, textbook provides HTML pages, reports, forms, fields, menus, buttons, hyperlinks which materializes business situation, solution to business problem, use cases, and data with end user in mind. Supplementary learning material, to enhance, accelerate, and help you on the development path. You will find links to exported applications, scripts, data and video tutorials for each chapter. These resources will provide you with practical insights, allowing you to reinforce your knowledge and apply it directly to real-world projects. Whether you are an experienced developer seeking to expand your skill set or a beginner eager to explore the world of APEX, this textbook is your definitive guide. Our hope is that also non-IT learners will find it an invaluable companion on the journey to mastering Oracle APEX and building innovative applications that make a positive impacts. The textbook and supplementary material are designed for approximately 75 hours of student effort, 3 ECTS. We hope that different modes of study can be applied. Teacher-led class lectures and lab exercises, blended learning and also self-paced study. Depending on the learner's background knowledge and available time to run the course, teachers can easily assemble a set of chapters that suits the learning situations like extracurricular courses, summer schools, time-limited events for low-code introductions for all students, not only in IT or CS, and practitioners in various branches of industry. APEX versions 22 and 23 were used for developing this textbook and supplementary learning material. We believe that concepts and core technologies explained and applied in the contents will be beneficial also to the learners of the future APEX versions. Get ready to embark on an exciting learning adventure with Oracle APEX. Enjoy using wizards and low coding. Professor Robert Lskovar, BeeAPEX Project Leader, Chair of IT Department, UM, Faculty of Organizational Sciences.